You've tuned into The Mountain Gardener with your host, Ken Lain. Gardening, it can be challenging, but with these simple insider tips, you'll reap huge rewards. Now, let's tune into today's Mountain Gardener with Ken and Lisa. So I am big into low maintenance landscapes. So our backyard, it's quite striking, beautiful. I mean, you walk back to go, whoa, this guy might own a garden center because he does. I also know how to design, but the backyard is low maintenance, native, take care of yourself. I'm coming back here, boys, about once a year. I'm going to clean you up, shape you, but then that's it. You're on your own. And so I'll fertilize and care for things. And I've got a few pockets of flowers, kind of limited drip systems, but it's very low maintenance. The front yard, though, that's pretty low maintenance too. But the patios, though, are made to be, I'm a gardener. I want a high maintenance section. I like going out with my coffee cup and reading the paper in my jammies, and I'll go deadhead my flowers and watch the hummingbirds and listen to the fountains. It's more high maintenance, but it's not the whole half acre. Most of it is super low care. And so I put together a list of my favorite native plants. So low care, easy to grow, can't go wrong. I defy you to kill these plant list. And we put a program together. It's called the Wild Wonders Native Plant Extravaganza. It goes for the next couple of weeks. It's what's in stock here, but I'm trying to get better at this. It's hard to change your brain, but retailers, come to the store, buy it from the store. But I'm also giving you access to the farms. And so many things we've shipped, a week or two ago, and then more things come online. And so we've lined up partnerships with our farm to direct ship those things to you. Also, if you're not from the area, you're tuned in from Sedona, you can't come over to Trader Joe's or Costco Run for another couple of weeks. Well, you can order them and have them directly shipped to your doorstep. I mean, a full-on plant. We're not talking plugs. We're talking like full-on, like 3-gallon, fully mature Adam's needle yucca or agave or penstemons in full bloom. You can have those directly shipped. 1 gallon size, not these putsy little tiny thing. I'm talking about full-on plant, like hummingbirds are going to be attracted like right now. If you want to take a look at those, so they're on our website. You can't go to the shop button and you'll see right there, Wild Wonders, right up front. So for the next couple of weeks, you can see what those are and a couple ideas. Artichoke agave. We call that the century plant here because once every century, it blooms with this gigantic stalk that grows like 15 feet tall. It's magnificent. Now, in the wild, about once every 100 years. In my backyard, about once every 10, 15 years. If they're healthy and you've got a gardener's touch to them, they put this beautiful, magnificent stalk flower to it. Manzanita. Chieftain manzanita. It's a preferred manzanita. It's just like our native one, only the native one, the Howard McMahon, it gets bigger than you and I. It's too big for most yards. Chieftain is a click down. It's hip high instead of overhead high. Same rich green foliage, same red bark. It's beautiful. I'd much rather plant a chieftain, but still, get it going, get it rooted, never have to care for it or water it again. It just does that itself. Angelita daisies, several types of salvia. Anytime you see the name salvia or sage in the name, you know you got a good plant because animals aren't going to bother it. Javelina, deer, pack rats, they're going to be fine. They're just going to leave it alone because it's got a fragrance to it. And usually they're pollinators. That is, the hummingbirds and butterflies are going to love them. So we've got two, a heat wave blaze salvia and an ignition orange, a brand new orange. In fact, at the garden center, I've got a new blue salvia. It's really cool. There's some new things coming online. One that I'm most excited about are the increased cacti selections. So the hardy ones that grow up here, the winter is what takes out cactus, not the summer. It's the cold. So you need cold hardy varieties. We've got several barrels, fish hooks, prickly pears, choyas, clare cups or hedgehogs. They're all available. And then the newest one, I'm most excited about this. So we've got a Little Miss Sunshine yucca. It's a dwarfed yucca. It gets about knee high and it has this long flower on top of it. But in the same container, we've planted, in addition, a brake light yucca. So you get the same growing, the foliage looks the same, but now this big clump of yuccas puts on both yellow and red yucca flowers. We're calling it ketchup and mustard yuccas. It's really cool. They're inbound this week. I can't wait. So you pre-order those now, and they're going to ship. We're going to have a pickup here next Friday. So we'll have them all available. So you're getting access to them before they even land. This is really limited production. Ketchup and mustard yucca. It's one of the most exciting things I'm going to have here at the garden center this spring, at least for me. If you're into low maintenance, it's really going to be a neat plant for here. It comes in a 10-gallon size. I think they're $120, something like that. But they are full-on magnificent yucca plants that are just gorgeous for the landscapes. Again, yuccas, they grow wild here. So you can take a look at the collection. It's got the whole thing out there. You can see the ketchup and mustard. It's all there. And you can see the online exclusives, things that can only be shipped directly from the farm. So I've got some penstemons, a new burgundy penstemon, a new type of Russian sage, comes in 1 gallons, can ship to you. So no matter where you are in the country, you can have access to low maintenance plants for your backyard. Water's Garden companion plants of the month are lilac, poppy, purple plums, and our songbird columbine.
This graceful beauty dances in the shade of the garden, holding its head high, smiling back at you.
This bloomer comes back each spring with lacy green foliage, promptly followed by amazing two-tone flowers.
An excellent cut flower that is both deer and rabbit resistant.
So hardy, some varieties naturally call Arizona home.
Songbird columbine can only be found at Waters Garden Center in Prescott.
For a more fruitful garden, increased success in the landscape that just feels better, then tune in daily to the Mountain Gardener podcast. Subscribe through your favorite podcast streamer or visit watersgardencenter.com. Better yet, visit me directly right here at Waters Garden Center. Thanks for tuning in.